There's a storm coming, and it gonna shake down the walls of Babylon, falling with 40 days of rain. There's a fire arising, and everything burned to the ground, and there's no need for your crying anymore. All the angels descending, and the demons come to rise, and they're not pretending with their law. Well, God has forsaken, and the devil he ran away, so don't be mistaken what you say. Leave your dragon slumber and let your lion wake, but remember that what you give is what you take. After the lightning and after all the rain, you won't have to be so frightened of the pain. There's a storm coming, and it gonna shake down the walls of Babylon, falling with 40 days of rain.